Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 9 and 10, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my online class arranged by the authority of Bounty School and College. Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and sound by the mercy of the Almighty. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. At the very beginning, we show our gratitude to the Almighty because He has kept us safe and sound during this Corona pandemic situation. Dear learners, we should also show our respect to our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, because we are celebrating the centenary birth anniversary of our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Dear learners, our today's topic will be on, you can see here, changing sentence from your English second paper subject for class 9 and 10. Okay, dear students, from changing sentence, I will discuss today on simple, complex and compound sentence. Okay, dear learners, you know there are different types of sentences. According to the structure or according to the clauses, sentences are three kinds, and these are simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. Okay, dear students, as a student of class 9 or 10, you must have the quality of changing a simple sentence to a complex or compound sentence or vice versa. You must have the knowledge of what is phrase, what is clause, what is called simple sentence, what is called compound sentence or what is called complex sentence. Okay, dear students, I hope you have recollected all the information. So now I would like to ask you a question. Do you know what is simple sentence? Yes, a simple sentence is a sentence that has only one principal clause, If necessary, there might be a phrase. Okay? Next, what is complex sentence? A complex sentence is a sentence that has a principal clause with a subordinate clause according to different subordinatory conjunctions, and these are WH words who, which, when, where and that, so that, etc. Okay? Next, what is compound sentence? Okay, dear students, a compound sentence is a sentence that has minimum two principal clauses. Okay? Minimum two principal clauses connecting with coordinating conjunctions. And these coordinating conjunctions are and, or, but, not only, but also, etc. Okay, my dear students, you know there are different types of structure of simple sentence, and I would like to help you to learn how to convert a simple sentence into a complex or compound sentence or vice versa. Okay, my dear students, look at the board. As usual, before writing the questions, you have to write the title on your exercise book. So write the title, simple, complex, compound. And you know, this is a new topic for the students of class 9 actually. And this type of question you will have in question number 6. Okay, my dear students, so let's begin the class. So our first rule is karon, অর্থাৎ reason means কারণ। when যখন আমরা একটা সেন্টেন্সে কারণযুক্ত কোনো সেন্টেন্স পাবো, সেই সেন্টেন্সটাকে সিম্পল আর কমপ্লেক্স কম্পাউন্ডে টার্ন করার রুলস গুলো এখানে দেওয়া আছে। সিম্পলে we will find the words such as because of, due to, owing to, being, on account of, সবগুলো ওয়ার্ডসই কারণ বোঝাচ্ছে। ওকে, At the same time, complex sentence will have the words as as, because and since. And we know compound sentence has minimum 2 principal clauses, and these principal clauses will be connected with the word coordinating conjunction and. Okay, so the first topic is reason. So let's see the example. Okay, first one, simple. Because of his industry he has succeeded in life. Okay, as we know, simple sentence has one principal clause, that is he has succeeded in life. It is a principal clause, and if necessary there might be a phrase. So because of his industry, this is a one kind of phrase. Okay, so let's change the sentence into complex and compound sentence. Okay, starts with complex sentence. Okay, we know complex sentence has one principal clause with a subordinate clause. So because of his industry, this is a phrase, it will be turned into a subordinate clause, and we know subordinate clause starts with a subordinate conjunction, and as we are dealing with reason, so we have to choose from these words as, because or since. Okay, so starts since or as a like best, you choose from these words. Okay, as he is industrious, and the noun form will be turned into an adjective form. Industrious, as he is industrious, he has succeeded in life. Okay, my dear students, then we will convert it into a compound sentence. Okay, next, we know compound sentence needs 2 principal clauses, so we should omit the subordinate conjunctions as. Okay, so the answer is he is industrious, and এবং দুটো সেন্টেন্স কানেক্ট হবে and দ্বারা। ওকে, দুটো সেন্টেন্স কানেক্ট হবে and দ্বারা, and he has succeeded in life. Okay, my dear students, write down on your exercise book. So let's go for the next example. Working hard, Ronnie cuts a good figure in the exam. Okay, so look at the board. Working hard, Ronnie cuts a good figure in the exam. This sentence also has only one principal clause, so this is also a simple sentence, and then we will convert it into a complex and compound sentence, and rules are the same actually. As we are dealing with the reason, working hard, কঠোর পরিশ্রম দ্বারা, so it is also a reason. Okay, so we will convert it into complex sentence first. Okay, since Ronnie works hard, as it is a present tense, so tense should be maintained here. Since Ronnie works hard, as we use here a noun form, then we will use the next clause, its pronoun. Ronnie's pronoun is he. He cuts a good figure in the exam. Okay, my dear students, next go for the compound sentence. Compound sentence, we should omit the subordinate conjunction sense, and the rest part will be the same, connecting with and. Ronnie works hard and he cuts a good figure in the exam. Students, write the questions with the answers in your copy. My dear students, next go for the next rule. Number 2, topic is atoije. So this is another structure of simple sentence. 2 plus adjective plus 2. 2 plus adjective plus 2. And how can we convert this simple sentence into complex and compound sentence? So the structure of complex sentence from this topic is so plus adjective plus that, and compound sentence is very plus adjective plus and so. Okay students, let's go for the example. Simple sentence, the boy is too weak to walk. The boy is too weak to walk. ছেলেটি এতটাই দুর্বল যে সে হাঁটতে পারে না. So here is the finite verb. Is the finite verb, and to walk is the non-finite verb or infinitive. You know, to যুক্ত verb is called infinitive. Okay, next we will convert it into complex sentence. The boy is, here 2 has been converted into so. Here 2 has been converted into so. Then adjective. So weak, we write weak here as an adjective, and next 2 has been converted into that. Students, follow. 2 has been converted into that. So we write the boy is so weak that. After that you must make a subordinate clause according to the meaning. After that you should make a subordinate clause according to the meaning. As the finite verb is here is the present tense, you have to write can. If the finite verb here was past tense, then you have to use could. So he, as it is present tense, he can. My dear students, I should also tell you that the structure indicates the negative meaning. So you must write a negative complex sentence. Okay, as it indicates the negative meaning, you must write a negative complex sentence. So the boy is so weak that he cannot walk. As usual, we write compound sentence. The boy is very weak, and so weak here is adjective, and so he cannot walk. The rest part is the same. Okay, my dear students, next we will go for the next example. Simple sentence first. The problem The problem was too difficult to solve. solve. Okay. Okay. Next we will convert it into a complex sentence and then compound sentence. I think তোমরা নিজেরাই এটা পারবে according to the rules. You should use the rule actually properly. You should use the rule properly. Then the answer will be correct. Okay. So write the next complex sentence. The problem was here is a finite verb. To has been converted again. So then adjective. Then to has been converted into that. My dear students, লক্ষ্য করো here the finite verb was is the past tense. So we had to write here could. We had to write here could. That it could not. That there is a silly mistake that we could not solve it. Okay. Next compound sentence. The problem was very the problem was very difficult and so we could not solve it. Okay, my dear students, complete the topic or writings on your copy. My dear students, next go for the next rule. Reason and result. Reason and result. Here is the another structure of simple, complex and compound. The structure of simple is from কারণ ও ফলাফল, to plus verb অর্থাৎ infinitive. to যুক্ত verb কে infinitive বলে. Next the structure of complex sentence is so that or that or in order that. Okay, and the compound sentence is and so. The sentence will be connected with and so. Okay, my dear students, let's see the example from first simple sentence. Here we can see a simple sentence, we eat to live, as it is the sentence has only one principal clause, so it must be a simple sentence. Okay, we eat to live. My dear students, I would like to ask you a question. Do you know why do we eat? You can say we eat to fill our stomach, or you can say we eat because the food is tasty. No, we eat to live. We eat to live. So we may live, not can live, because there is no conformity to live, so it's a possibility. আমরা খেলেই যে বেঁচে থাকবো এটা একটা সম্ভাবনা. Okay, so we write here may, not can. Okay, so write the complex sentence, we eat. We choose an option from this topic. We eat so that, my dear students, here eat is a finite verb and to live is a non-finite verb or infinitive. Okay, we eat so that we may live, not can live. Okay, because there is no conformity to live. We eat so that we may live. Next compound sentence. Here the answer will be we want to live and so যুক্ত হয়েছে and so দ্বারা, and so we eat. My dear students, notice here we write, or the purpose has been written here first, and after that we write the result. Okay, we want to live, this is the purpose, আমরা বাঁচতে চাই, we want to live, and so we eat. Just sentence টা ঘুরে যাচ্ছে, just sentence টা ঘুরে যাচ্ছে. Okay, next go to the another example. Simple sentence. We study to make a good result. We study to make a good result. Okay, as usual we will solve it according to the rules. Complex sentence. We study in order that we choose the this topic in order that you can choose any one from this. Okay, we study in order that we make a good result. We study in order that we make a good result. Okay, next compound sentence. Okay, compound sentence. Again the answer will be turn. Okay, we want to make a good result, and so যুক্ত হয়েছে and so দ্বারা, and so we study. Right, complete your on your copy. My dear students, see the next structure from time. Okay, the topic is now time, and the structure begins with, in simple sentence, in or at or during, and the complex sentence with when or while, as it is related to time. So this will be used, and the compound sentence connected will be connected with and. Okay, let's see the example. Simple sentence. During or in. During or in summer the river becomes emaciated. গ্রীষ্মের সময় নদী সংকুচিত হয়ে যায়, নদী সংকুচিত হয়ে যায়. So my dear students, you can see prepositional phrase or adverbial phrase. Sometimes it indicates time. As it indicates time, you should convert it into when or while as a subordinate clause. I repeat, as it indicates time, you should convert it into when or while as a subordinate clause. Okay, so write the answer. Complex sentence. When, as it is a present tense, we must follow the tense. When it is summer, when it is summer, the river becomes, when it is summer, the river becomes emaciated. Okay, emaciated. Next, write the compound sentence. My dear students, you know, a complex sentence needs a subordinate clause with its principal clause, so we write it with a subordinate clause. Okay, next go for the compound sentence. My dear students, you know, a compound sentence needs two principal clauses. Okay, so the subordinate clause, you should convert the subordinate clause into a principal clause. Okay, so you have to omit the subordinate clause when here. Okay, you should omit here subordinate conjunctions when. Okay, so the answer is it is summer. We omit here when, then the answer is it is summer, and the both clauses will be connected with and. My dear students, I have written here and then. I have written here and then because and then refers to the time. Okay, that's why I have written here and then. Okay, next go for the second example from the topic time. First simple sentence. In winter I was in Rajbari. Rajbari is my hometown actually. So I wrote this on the board. I was in Rajbari. Okay. So accordingly, we will convert it into a complex or compound sentence. Okay. So when or while it was. As I was in Rajbari, it was a past tense, so we must follow the tense. When it was winter, okay, it is a complex sentence. I was in Rajbari. Okay, next compound sentence. Once again, we must omit here when, and then we will find the two principal clauses which will be connected with and. Okay, so we omit here when, and the answer is it was winter. It was winter, and I was in Rajbari. এটা ছিল শীতকাল এবং আমি রাজবাড়িতে ছিলাম. Okay, my dear students, complete the following sentences on your exercise book. So my dear students, this is all for today. I have tried to show you some rules of simple, complex and compound sentence. I hope you have understood the grammatical rules from today's lesson. My dear students, you should remember that the grammatical rules should not be memorized. The grammatical rules should be understood. Okay, my dear students, so practice more and more at home and follow all the rules of health and hygiene. Inshallah, hopefully in the next class, I will show you the rest rules of simple, complex and compound. Till then, may Allah keep us safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.